This is a usual working day in my house. We're always bound to our desks and we're always busy. That looks painful. However, you probably know the solution to being bound to a desk on a daily basis is to have better posture. A quick search on Amazon will provide you with outrageously expensive motorized standing desks, some even as expensive as $500 or more for the same product. Now, for the average college student, that does tend to be a lot of money. But what if you could budget build a desk for under $100? After careful thinking and evaluation of current scenarios and evaluating design ideas for motorized desks, a few weeks of drawings and preparing led to an efficient and socially distanced trip to Home Depot to purchase the materials needed for this project. The design requires roughly 20 feet of aluminium piping and 15 bolts with wing nuts for quick hand assembly. The design is intended to be entirely collapsible and comes apart with ease of storage and transportation as well. After the multiple rounds of cutting and drilling the aluminium pipes, the required dimensions are achieved and the frame and subframes are now ready to be attached. Now the linear actuator is installed to the primary frame at a point where the frame flexing is minimal. The actuator can now provide a maximum extension to the desk while it reaches its maximum height. Cool, the dummy test worked. Now for the finishing. The corners of the wood piece are rounded and all edges and faces are sanded to soft touch. I'm using birch wood because it's economical and also has a great finish with it. All remaining dust particles are cleaned off and a polyurethane-based stain is used to evenly coat the wood. Then we let it out to dry in the sun for a couple of hours. Attach the wood to the frame and there we have it, a variable height motorized desk for anyone to use. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, you should check out all the other videos too. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.